suppose you don't want to display all the records in a table, you just want to display only the top 3 or 5 records from your table. So how can you do that? How can you manage that operation? So this is pretty simple, So we know that we use select star from orders, this kind of statement from displaying for displaying all the records present in a table. But here we will set a limit of records. So there is a keyword in MySQL that is limit. Here, if I set limit 4, it means I just want to see the top 4 records from this table. So here, if I execute this query, it will return the top 4 records like for John, Adam, Ahmed, and Salman. So let's execute this statement and let's see if it's working or not. So you can say that it just returned the top 4 records. Now if I set this to 5, you can see that it returned the 5 records from the top of the table, and like that. So this is the functionality of this limit keyword. Sometimes you need to use this limit keyword just to understand the pattern of the data, and just to uh, just to sometimes you don't need all the data, and you need only the some first rows to understand how many columns are there and what type of data is stored in this particular column or like that. So you can use this limit keyword there to limit the number of rows to be displayed. So see you in the next video. Bye bye.